For quite some time, I used to simply say chant and know the chant. Chant and know the chant. Chant and know the chant. Instead of hearing. Because my old programming is there. Hearing means two things I had to do. Chanting and hearing. So chant and know the chant. Chant and know the chant. So in this way, I reprogrammed my mind with the, replaced my old program as two doings, as only one doing and one knowing of that very doing. As Srila Prabhupada says, chant and exactly the same word you hear. Exactly the same word you hear. I want you to ensure that one feeling is there in the background, which you already have. It's in your subconscious, but you have to have it, you have to load it. What is that feeling? Whatever you are doing is an offering to the Nama Prabhu. To feel that this is an offering to Nama Prabhu, you don't have to think. Why? Because if you start thinking, then it disturbs. Offering is a feeling. The devotee who is chanting is a sevak, and the seva is your chanting and knowing the chant, and sevya is the one who is receiving it. Hare Krishna, Nama Prabhu is receiving it. Like those flowers at the feet of the Lord, you can see, those are the offerings in the form of the action of chanting and knowing by the sevak. Now, this slide, you please impress upon your mind, or this feeling, this bhavana as an offering for somebody's pleasure. It's offering, it's a bhavana. This bhavana should be there in the background of all practice sessions. This is a minimum bhavana that should be in the practice sessions. And for this bhavana to be in the background, you don't have to do anything. Just have to, in the beginning, you have to just trigger this thought. That what is the meaning of all that I am doing? What is the meaning of all this practice? For whom am I practicing all these things? For the Sevya. And where is the Sevya? Right there. I don't have to take my mind away somewhere else. Sevya is somewhere else in Goloka Vrindavana. And now I'm sitting here and I am chanting and knowing the chant. So he is receiving in Goloka Vrindavan. No, he right there. That Nama is the one who is receiving there. Your mind does not have to go out of here and now space at all. If I can do without consciously, why should I? What is the need for me to be conscious? This is where it comes. Krishna wants you, not your hand and strength of your hand and throwing the ball, all that. No. Krishna wants you to chant Hare Krishna, not simply your tongue and your automatic chanting. Krishna wants you to chant. Where are you? You are where your attention is. What is your soul energy? Soul energy is attention. You give your soul energy. Determination means, just like you say, somebody is very stubborn. You feel, you agree that it is a feeling, no? Stubbornness. How stubborn he is. It's a feeling. Similarly, your determination or stubbornness, that I will connect and only chant. Chanting and hearing I will connect. I have to know the chant. I have to know the chant. I have to know the chant each time. I have been telling that we have to chant with, link. Chanting and hearing, you have to link. Chant and hear the very same sound, you should link. That linking is required. My Kriya Cheshta and Jnana Cheshta should be on the same target. Okay? Number one. Condition number one. It should be on the same target for attention to be locked. And what is that target? That target is the currently manifesting Nama on your tongue. Be very simple and practice it. And simple is what? Whatever name is currently manifesting. Two names don't manifest at a time, no? Either it's Hare or Krishna, 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 Hare, Hare, Hare Rama, 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 Hare, Hare. One at a time. So whichever nama is right now coming, on that you apply your Kriya Chesta and Jnana Chesta. It's also so big idea. What is this idea of linking? Linking means to bring both the chestas on the same target. Your knowing attention runs as fast as the doing attention. As Prabhupada says, as soon as you chant, you hear. That is the meaning of simultaneous concurrent application on this common target of the... What is the common target? Again I am repeating, the common target is the currently manifesting Hare Krishna Nama, whatever Nama is manifesting.